Ciao, I'm Stefano Callegari. We are in Rome, in Romanè, my restaurant. We're gonna cook chicken cacciatora, pollo alla cacciatora, very central Italian recipe. This is a free-range chicken. You can see it's not so huge. It's very strong muscle. And we start with extra virgin olive oil, just 1 liter. We're gonna cook 5 kilos of legs of this chicken. Then we put the oil, rosemary, it's like 30 grams of rosemary. Then we put the skin side into the pan, and it must be full of chicken, but not too much, but must be full. Otherwise, if it's too much, it's gonna be boiled and not cooked, braised. We're gonna braise it. So this kind of chicken is it's very hard to cook. So I'm gonna cook it with very slow flame, very slowly for more than 1 hour, just with salt, pepper, rosemary, extra virgin olive oil, and I cook it with a heat on top, so that all the steam that comes from the meat I'm gonna keep it, and it will make it soft and tender, this meat. Here we are. 50 grams of salt for 5 kilos of chicken. Okay, and 10 grams of black pepper. Voila, and just mix a little bit. Now I'm gonna put it on the flame. It's very full, but it's not too much. Every single piece touched the bottom of the pan. And then I put a very slow flame, something like that at the beginning. And then I need the head, and I put the oil. And now we leave it cook for 1 hour. After 20-25 minutes, we check and we turn upside down every single piece of chicken. Meantime, we have to make a cocktail to give the flavor of cacciatora. That is from white wine vinegar, is like 200 grams. Then 1.5 liters of white wine. Again, rosemary, 50 grams. A whole garlic, I don't know, a whole garlic. A little, very little bit of red chili pepper. And 100 grams of tomato. So we can mix together. Like that, and the vinegar. Garlic. And just a little bit of tomato, because it's no sauce, just a little bit of color, something like that. 100 grams almost. That's enough. And now we have to mix it. Okay. I got another pan. This like 45 minutes ago. I did the same. Now we check. Very slowly it's cooking, like that. Okay. We still have to wait a little bit. Yes. Another 15 minutes. Okay. One is going. When the chicken is cooked, we're gonna add this cocktail, okay? And then we get rid of the head, and then we make it thick, the sauce out just 5-10 minutes, something like that, so that the flavors are fresh. It's not cooked 1 hour. Just the meat is tender, but the cocktail is fresh. Now we just have to wait a little bit. Eccoci qua. Allora, now it's time to add the cocktail because it's more than 1 hour is cooking. And we add like that. Wow. Put back. I don't need it anymore. Okay. I put the flame a little bit high. And I cook like that for another 5-10 minutes. And then I'll show you what. So after 10 minutes, we take the pieces of chicken outside to make it cold, like that. You see the color of the chicken. It's almost red because it's a free range San Bartolomeo chicken. It's a very huge place where they can run. They are very free, and it's just 1 hour north of Roma, Sutri, near Viterbo. Now we take the skin that is very good, it's tender, it's very good because this is a good chicken, and we put into the sauce, and then we mix so it thick the sauce. It gives a wonderful flavor. I can do it by hand when it's not so hot anymore. But now I just show you, okay? Great. Okay, that's enough. Now we blend it. Now we thick a little bit. So we can make your chicken cacciatora. Let me check. Ed ecco il polletto alla cacciatora. Here you are.
Thank you very much. Very nice.
You like it?
Yeah, very nice.
The sauce should be more thick
Yeah?
because it's still cooking,
Okay, okay.
but it's good anyway.
Yeah, very soft chicken.